I'm Miss Yong.
Hi, I'm Mr. Chow
I'm Miss Diana, and we are science teachers
from Dunman Secondary School.
And we are here to answer some of your questions today.
Okay, so first question, explain E equals to mc squared.
I have no idea.
Same here.
I'm not a physics teacher.
So E is energy, m is mass, and c is speed of light. It's by Einstein. We use it I think, for small particles. How did you become a science teacher?
Definitely wanted to do something related to bio since I was a kid, and going into teaching is the easiest way to do something related to biology.
Because those who can, teach. So here I am as a teacher.
What did you do as a job before teaching science?
I studied crabs. Well, that was not a job. I took time off 5 years to study crabs intensively. Actually, I've been studying ghost crabs for more than 15 years.
Are they edible?
Everything can be eaten at least once, but basically these crabs have too little flesh to be eaten. Yeah, only birds eat them.
How can a student fall in love with science?
Well, if they have me as their science teacher, they will definitely fall in love with science.
Please simplify electricity. I think it's like a river flowing down a stream, except the water are electric charges and the river is the wire. So as you know, that water flowing down the stream has some energy that you can tap on, and that's why we have lights and things. We hear Dunman is known for their science program Elixir. What is it?
It's the name of a program. Each of the letter actually represents something. So it's like a 4-year program for all the students in Dunman, and they are actually exposed to a lot of activities, enrichment across the 4 years that they will be in Dunman.
A few of the activities they do in this include making an edible water bottle, extracting DNA from common fruits and vegetables, and making a solar vehicle.
Hardest thing about the job?
Waking up in the morning.
Yeah, waking up is tough. Especially during the holidays, right?
Yeah.
Then you start
and I'm not a
waking
morning person, so you know.
Are you a morning person?
No, I'm not, definitely not.
The crabs come out later in the day.
They are nocturnal.
They're nocturnal.
Yeah, there you go.
We are down to the last question. Why should students and parents choose Dunman?
Because Dunman is awesome. I've never seen a more dedicated group of teachers who are really very caring and goes out of their way to really help the students. So, I mean, if you come to Dunman, you are really in good hands, and you can really trust that your teachers will really do their best to help you.
Yeah, I think we've strong tradition, right? Proven ourselves to be nurturing for many years, and so yeah. Thank you for your questions. We had fun answering some of them. We hope to see you at Dunman Secondary.